How to buy Westjet Dollars. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Westjet Dollars. Well, if you open up the Westjet, you'll see that there is no any option to buy the Westjet Dollars. Well, how you can buy it, let me guide you through. What you can do is, in order to buy the Westjet Dollars, you can simply close your application, head into your browser, and on the search bar you want to search in for buy Westjet Dollars. Once you do so, you'll get the very first official Westjet links where it says buy Westjet Dollars. You can see with this offer, Westjet Dollars can be purchased at 20% to 40% off the usual cost of $2 Canadian each for a limited time. So what you can do is you can tap on it. It'll ask you to sign into your account. You want to sign into the account and go ahead to the purchase, and you'll be able to make the purchase. As you can see, it says sign in. You want to tap on sign in, sign into your account, and you can go ahead and make the purchase. So this is the way that you can buy Westjet Dollars. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.